What's going on, y'all? Today we doing a pork loin. Not any pork loin, a stuffed one, y'all. So the first thing we want to do, we want to cut about 1/3 down, all the way until you get about 1/3 before you get to the end of your meat. And then we're gonna flip it over and do the exact same thing on the other side. Then we gonna open that pork loin up, press it down, and then we gonna rain on it. Hit them with that salt and that pepper, y'all. That salt and that pepper. Once we get it all seasoned up, we're gonna start adding in some cheese. Now I'm using cheddar cheese today, my wife's favorite. And then we're gonna stuff it with some sausage. Now I'm using pork sausage today. Now you can use any kind of sausage you like. Italian would work great for this. It really would. But anyway, after we get that sausage in and pat it down, we're gonna just roll that right on up. And then get it straight into a hot pan so we can get a sear on it. Now, I didn't have anything to tie it up, so I had to go and put that torch on that other side to get that sear on. But you know, the best thing to do is to go ahead and tie it up. Then we're gonna get it straight into the oven at 350 degrees until it reached that magic temperature of 145. Now mine took about 30 minutes, but look at what we got, y'all. That sausage came through and made that pork loin so much better. But anyway, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling. See ya.